So we're here at the world premiere. How
Yes.
excited are you to be back in the film world?
I am so excited. It's been many years, and the fact that this could be my re-entry into the film world with The Bride, with Maggie directing this unbelievable epic, and yeah, it's just unreal.
So let's talk about how it came your way and how you're involved in it.
Nick, I'm very much a Ginger Rogers type of person. That was what inspired me my whole career, was those golden age of Hollywood films, and so I was like, wait, I have got to get this, and it just felt like the right fit. And after this many years, to come on in, and again, proximity is unreal to be around this caliber of talent and just the craftsmanship, not just with the cast but with the crew and everyone is really remarkable.
It's really special. Tell me about Maggie and how amazing she is to work with.
She's incredible. She's so present with you. She champions anybody that is in her proximity and her vicinity. I mean, she wants everybody to win and to be seen and valued and heard. And whether my role is 3 seconds or 3 hours, she gives the same amount of presence and dedication, and that's really special.
I love those scenes with you and Jenny. They were really, really special. In regards to what you want people to come out of the cinema thinking, what do you reckon?
I just want everybody to feel so empowered that they are unique individuals that, just have ownership over who you are and what you believe in. And sometimes being radical is good.
This screams a bit of girl power to me.
I think so. And Jessie Buckley, I mean, can we just talk about how epic she is and the magic that those two have done already, and then to see what she's doing right now, and every ounce of praise is deserved. She's really incredible.